Alright, so what we got here is Luke cooking up some stir fry. He's in the kitchen.
With the help of Cal's help on the peppers.
Whoop him.
That was huge.
That's
I
right.
don't even want to know those things jump around.
Cal with the peppers, yeah. Cal brought in the peppers, and we got the, what is it, kind of the pseudo but oh so buttery.
Yeah.
I correct myself. It is oh so buttery.
It is very yellow.
Oh, Luke.
And
negative 2 points docked from Luke Miazga. A very bad start to the night as he tries to throw the olive oil on to try to.
Stove even on? That's the real.
That's the question. Top of the pan and drop of the pepper. However, he's shifting over to the more important part of this recipe. The peppers.
Yeah.
Fortune on top.
He's just beating the shit out of 2 eggs right now. I mean, just absolutely annihilating.
And we have.
Is he only going to use those 2 eggs, or do you think he's going to add more?
See, I think the claims that he is the GOAT of egg beating is very far-fetched, given the fact that if you look at Russell Westbrook right now, he's just as easily as good of competitor as Luke.
Sure.
Russell Westbrook has been controlling the league and his team, more importantly, for the last 4 years at the very least. But Luke is bringing a whole milk equation. Wow, and Luke drops whole milk into the eggs, and that changes the game.
You know, that really was just perfect.
And he's looking off into the distance as if nothing was done.
He executed that so well.
He has been known for his delivery, and he drops some sea salt on as well. And this is really scaring the competitors. Luke is pulling a complete 180 as for what his competitors expect. And now what is this? Is this pepper? Is this pepper? Black pepper that he's dropping onto the eggs, the well-beaten eggs.
He knows exactly how much
he does. This is no.
And he just throws the rest.
This is no new rodeo.
There's no.
And he's beating them continuously.
He is.
And the fans are growing increasingly nervous as the fate of the National Ireland cooking team is in great jeopardy against the great Luca. And Luca, what's he going for now? He's going for appears the onions. I would say the onions. No, he puts it down. Wow. Goes for the so buttery equation. He's not dropping. He drops it in the pan. Something we have not seen in 30 years, people. Something we have not seen in 30 years.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I mean, so buttery. You gotta be kidding me.
I mean, that pan is pretty hot right now. Like we know that there is.
Oh my goodness! And he drops the peppers. He drops green peppers.
That's such a great base. Like, to be honest, you just really want the base to be peppers, because that's just gonna give you the best result.
Exactly. And Lucas was known for his mixture of techniques. He obviously likes staying conventional, but at the same time likes throwing his own flair. And this may be the most flair we've seen out of any performance of an individual contester against the National Ireland cooking team.
And look at that. He just pulls out the garlic.
Almost
from nowhere.
On cue from our voice, yes.
Yeah.
And represents it. It goes back to cutting the garlic. Have you ever seen a more exquisite process?
I'm absolutely speechless.
What is he going to do from the blade? And he puts it straight in with the green peppers.
Wow.
A move we have not seen since 1997. But not only that, he drops the onions in with it.
Yeah, that was Klein and Hodges back in '97. I remember that.
Goodness.
That's the last time they did that. And it's just so bold.
And the last thing we've ever seen eggs thrown to the mix, that was Dr. J. But obviously Dr. J was one of a kind. He was a very special specimen of human nature that just had the athletic ability to make that work. But no one has seen that mixture of garlic, green peppers, and onions since obviously Dr. J's time. Mixed up.
I mean, that already smells exquisite. And I have to say, I'm not even...
Do we have a nervous feeling from egg fans right now?
Yeah.
Are they worried about the potential of this fourth quarter performance?
I really think that the egg is going to make all the difference.
Really?
We're going to see either major achievement or major failure in the egg stage.
Nonetheless, it's going to be very entertaining for the viewer.
It will. I mean, we've already seen an incredible performance.
Absolutely.
But that does not mean the egg stage will be perfect.
Exactly.
That's a whole different...
And that is a very important factor of this. The egg has almost been forgotten with 2 minutes or less left in the competition. He has merely the green peppers, garlic, and measly chopped onions. A minute and 30 seconds left. It appears as though Luca has thrown in the towel and he's really enjoying the remainder of his time left in this kitchen.
What spice will he go with next? Okay,
I think he's not going to use anything original. I think he's going to base the remainder of his recipe off of Offset, the third Migos rapper.
Okay.
Offset, go and whip it into mission, let the birds fly.
I understand that completely. And
I
know
get
exactly what spices he is using now that you said that. So
I get money tunnel vision through my third eye. If that doesn't make sense, then you really should not be in this very room right now.
You should not be watching this video.
And the rest is a bunch of Irish lingo that if you really don't put the effort into learning the culture of Ireland, then you really have no right to be viewing this very segment.
And I just like to say, we are supported by our sponsor, Air Cunnilingus.
Yes, stronger than ever.
They've really done a lot to help us achieve this show, the development of this performance. It's really a lot.